traffic jam.
Good job, Jennings.
Yep.
It's like, I really need a Data 70. I know what I'll do.
I know what I'll do. Oh, well. You men are doing a great job. Keep it up.
What are you talking about? You're getting ready to get your hand in here and get dirty.
All right, whatever. I'm down. Don't scare me. Okay, we just squeezed my Jeep into the enclosed trailer. Barely. We had to air down the tires, use the ratchet straps, take the bolts off.
We made it. And you know what time it is?
Sunset time.
Sunset time. We're chasing them at sunset. All the way in Calico.
Yeah. Heading out to wheel with my friends.
Oh, yeah. She's going to have a good time.
All right, Josh is leading our group on Doran in Calico. And I'm feeling myself like starting to smile. I got the roof off, the Sunrider top down, and I always get scared when I first go wheeling. Like, it's my very first time, and I'm gonna roll, and I'm gonna embarrass myself in front of my friends. Like, it's like a paranoid fear for the first, like, at least 20 minutes of every single wheeling trip. Even, like, when I've, you know, it's an overlanding trip, like on the Rubicon, where you, like, camp out, and then you immediately get back on the trail to the hard stuff. Still, it's, like, my first time Jeeping every time we do that, so... I feel like that right now, and it almost makes me like not want to go because I get kind of paralyzed with anxiety. But then I push through it and I go anyway, and then pretty quickly I get happy, and then after like 30 minutes to an hour of Jeeping, then I'm like, okay, this is cool, I got this, and I get my confidence back. And I remember that I've been Jeeping for like 6 years, not like 6 seconds. You know, I've done a few trails by now. Like, I got this. I need to settle down. But right now, I'm scared. Okay, we're just entering the gatekeeper, I guess. Or maybe we bypassed the gatekeeper on this trail. I never know. And since I'm wheeling with nobody else in the Jeep, I only have myself to talk to. So, the conversation might get a little weird. Oh. Stress. Pretty stoked because I made it up the waterfall thing like no problem, one shot at it, and that was so cool. And Josh was just like, see the rock on the left, just climb that, and I did, and it worked out great. Now I get to watch other people have some fun. Here comes Mark. He's just showing up. I'm a little shaky. I always get nervous. Yeah. Thanks. I'm a little shaky. Doesn't take a whole lot to scare me. Here, let's watch everyone else come up. That's my buddy Robert. Good job, Robert. Who's next?
That's right there. You're in the right line. Just want to come wide that corner.
I like the commentary from the Peanut Gang. He's like,
Yes. Yes.
he's like, what are you getting me into?
Let it pull over. Hold on.
I love the color. Hey, that was great. Good job. Halfway there.
Yeah, come this way more. Either Straight this rock. Yeah, he needs to go past me. Yeah. Or driver, sorry. There you go. Almost the car past me. Driver more. Driver more. Keep going. All right, now this is smart driver. Driver. That's it. And that's the line.
Yeah.
Driver, yeah, driver more. Driver more. Keep going. More. Driver.
There you go.
Straight. Slow. Driver. Stop. Go, stop. Back up.
Good job.
Almost.
Going Kimmy through the rocks. Try to keep it smooth. Like Kimmy. Doing just great. And I'm starting to calm down, which is good. My turn.
Keep going. Oh, no!
I broke a U-joint on the waterfall. It happens. You know, what are you gonna do? Get all your Jeep friends to fix it for you. I'll just hang out right here and wait for further instruction.
Close. Yeah, good idea.
Line out of the way.
Yeah. I'm trying to at least.
Trying to go high.
Got a couple times, man. I got damn close.
I secretly like it when all the guys work on my Jeep and get it back good as new.
The road went right up there, but there's no problem.
Yeah, it is. Great spot for lunch.
Go back up.
Sorry for the traffic jam.
No big deal. Like
Videos.
Zip ties? Eric. Chris, if someone could
What's
zip
that,
ties-
Eric?
Zip ties. Take it back, take the brake off.
What?
Is your brake on?
It's on.
No, it's not in the car, so there's no brakes. Oh, okay.
The e-brake's on.
Okay. Watch out for that line. Keep goes stupid with that one gets damaged. You can't rotate past that, it's still bound in.
I found out that a U-joint is not shaped in a U. I totally thought it was. It's like a little cross thing with caps on the end. Huh. Now I know. And they just like put it back together, and then I winched up the rest of the waterfall, and they're gonna replace the U-joint when we get back to camp, because we were in a very steep spot right there. So now I'm up off the trail now that everybody else can get through, since I'm not, you know, being the traffic logjam person. So hey, it's another great day jeeping. Hello. Hi. Come over here. Okay. Yeah. Woohoo! Good job. You're my bestie. Now we'll watch the Bronco come up. I didn't get up very easily. I broke. My Jeep broke.
It's so weird when the trail broke.
Yeah.
The trail fix it.
Yeah, they fix it enough to where we can fix it more later.
But Mom got a brisket pulling her up.
Yep. Mom did it. Mom saved Auntie Jennings. Pretty cool.
Yeah. Robert. I can pull on someone else.
Yeah, maybe Robert will pull the Bronco up. Or maybe they'll get up on themselves. Let's find out. Let's go closer. Doing great.
Yeah.
He might not need any help. Go Ginger! Go Ginger Eric!
No, Keith, get the strap out. Where's your strap? No, you're fine. No, hey, this is what happened to Jennings. You're in the same spot Jennings was.
You did.
Oh, I'm having flashbacks. I'm having flashbacks. About to hear a snap.
Pass the top.
on further back. You're gonna have to go about 20 feet back.
Oh, it's okay. They'll just strap her up.
Come on, keep going.
Might get it.
Turn the passenger. Stop. That felt like a foot straight. Straighten your wheels. There you go. Come on.
Rubber.
That's it. Now forward towards me. All the way. All the way, passenger.
Like he don't have his wheel.
All the way, passenger, forward. Turn it. There you go. No. All right, you're done. It's going to slide back in the same hole. All right, throw. All right. Down the jet. Keep on. 5 feet. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, you did tight right now. Ready? Forward easy. Go ahead, Pete, forward.
Daddy can do it first time.
Nice ball, Jenner. Ball him out. All right, hold it.
Get out.
Right there. Straight.
I think he needs to push.
Yeah, right there.
Nice.
This is good.
Making it look easy, Shane.
Yay,
Yeah! Woohoo!
go,
Go, Shane! Good job.
Let's do it.
Having to drive out in two-wheel drive. But so far I haven't needed to get strapped again. So we're almost off the trail. And then I'll get me a new U-joint. Get back on the road. This must be why it's called Doran Scenic Drive. It's beautiful. Is that tickle? Is that tickle? I'm gonna get you. Oh, you're so cute. Little Bessie, again? Little Bessie! Like the cotton candy. Cotton candy is good. Where were you when I broke?
Working on the RV.
I needed you.
No, you were just fine.
Couldn't make
You had all these guys.
I know, they did a great job.
Yeah.
They rescued me with it. What's the baby's name? London? You're so cute. What are you guys making? Like mud pies?
No.
This is a good looking group. Just chilling on a Saturday afternoon. Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah, look at that.
Hi, Ginger. Have a toast with us. Hello, little London. Hi. Okay, come here.
Because I know Ginger is all about chasing sunsets just like us.
That's right.
For sure.
Okay, let me try. Oh, that's a good sunset.
Yeah,
I
that's a good
love
one.
it. All right, ready? Cheers.
Another day. Cheers.
Sunsets. Oh, yeah. Nice.
What do you say?
I'm gonna get your belly. Dimples too, so cute. Hi. She's the cutest baby.
Is this it or will there be more?
One more. One more. Give me one more.
That's the answer I was looking for.
One more.
Look at that sunset.
Oh, wow.
That is looking great. Sunset, right?
Look how beautiful it is. Wow.
That is awesome. Yeah, I like it.
Hold this.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Yeah.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh,
whoa.
right away.
I got it.
I love it. Just dancing no music.
Eating so good.
I missed you so much.
And me too.
I haven't seen you in forever. My buddy Robert.
Yeah, we don't get out like we used to
I
do it.
know, like it's harder. But I'm glad you're here.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too. Today was fun.
Well, let's see, they probably spent 500 grand on
This is my happy place with my favorite people. Oh, look, it's London. Hi. I gotta tickle her. Tickle, 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 tickle.
You're gonna make a home, right? No
Well,
problem.
I got the trailer,
Oh, you're gonna
so
close?
we towed it here.
Oh,
So
did you?
yeah, I'm gonna make it home just fine.
Oh,
You got your radio going?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, you revving the engine? Why are you so cool? No way. You have a stereo in your Jeep? Play a song.
How do you go from barbecue to Lord to building center?
Yeah. I've got the power now.
That's still a place.
I got it.
For whatever reason, that's
One place.
Oh,
Hi, Bessie. How was your day?
I'm like,
Yeah, did you get a boo-boo on your hand?
Yeah.
yeah, I'm like,
I got you this hoodie. What does your hoodie say?
He does chase his tail.
I don't have a.
No, this hoodie.
Oh. It says how.
I was like, I just looked at you he's totally fake. He's totally
Campfire.
out there.
Campfire
I looked at him like, yeah,
hoodie.
you can do a lot more.
Are you ticklish?
No.
He's probably trying to steal a cake.
No, Ginger and Uzo have the same hoodie.
Is that your new dog?
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
Uzo?
Uzo.
Is it a he or
That's my bestie.
Yeah.
In case you guys didn't know, that's my bestie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aww.
looks mellow?
Mellow yellow.
He is. He's a cool dog. We got him
He's
like
taking a
5
nap.
months ago.
Yeah.
I want to take a nap.
And we're gonna
We
get
got him
cake
out of a shelter and
for
Yeah.
Mom's birthday.
so happy
Yeah.
with him.
What kind of cake?
Does he eat little dogs?
A rainbow.
Rainbow
Oh,
cake?
you're
I don't even
talking
know what
rainbow
rainbow cake is.
Yeah. Well, the kids are gonna
What's rainbow cake?
Dad. Dada. What's rainbow cake?
It's in the trailer. Wait,
What is
Box
it?
dog
What
tried
is
to,
it?
like, charge him.
No, not dogs. Rainbow cake.
What is
Oh,
it?
the little one, huh?
That's
Yeah,
rainbow
that was
cake.
I want to eat it.
We can.
So what's the next run? We're going up and going out again.
I like sleeping because tired.
Adelaide's sleeping?
Yeah.
There's that light over there.
So is he.
The fire reflecting?
Is that the reflection?
Yeah, the fire on the caliper.
Uncle Tony.
Is that all that is?
That's all that is.
Okay, good. I'm looking over and saying something's over there's a fire. I mean, from your wife sitting right here, I'm gonna go back. You can't see that, man.
Aww. I love it. Actually.
The propane bottles are all open.
Yeah. I like
You're so cute, Callie.
I am cute.
I'm not cute. Not that close. Not that cute.
You are cute.
Not that cute. You are that cute.